morning, my friends. My name is Christian Kitumaini. What a beautiful day here in Kigali. How is your quarantine? We're into, we finished our week 1 of quarantine and it's become a new norm and we're adjusting and adapting to the new changes. And specifically today, I want to discuss with you how you can make your quarantine more creative, right? I know you're thinking about why Christian is talking to me right now, because probably you're spending a lot of your time sleeping. You're spending a lot of your time watching Netflix. You're spending a lot of your time watching TV. To be honest, I still believe that 2020 will be an amazing year. And it's your call, it's your responsibility to take action now. Let me start telling you a story. I have a friend of mine who forged his career path without going to school. And how my friend was able to do that? By learning by himself, by building himself up. He never got the chance, he never got financial support to go to school, but thanks to the technology, he was able to learn and acquire new skill that enable him to be competitive out there in the market, better than anyone who has ever been to school. What he was able to do, he was able to go on Google, learn new skill, learn new tools, and he was able to connect and learn with mentor and coach that were able to help me become a better person, acquire more skills and become a better professional. And he was able to utilize technology and online to be able to uplift his game and be more competitive and build his career. If my friend was able to do that, you too can be able to do that. How you can utilize this quarantine to be creative, to forge your career or to start a business. It's your call, it's your responsibility to utilize this time, because once it's passed, it will never come back again in your entire life. Utilize this quarantine time or this crisis to go to another level, to go to another level. How you can do it? Read a book. Other than working, because I do work, I do read a book, and all the online libraries are open with free access. You can log in and you can read whatever book you want to read. I personally love reading books about business, and reading this time how leaders eat last, and it's a book by Simon Sinek, and it's very amazing. And you can also take some online courses and acquire new skills, probably cooking class, probably yoga, probably entrepreneurship, and get yourself a mentor if you don't have one that can help you into this journey. If you're confused and don't know what's next in your life, find a mentor who can help you. Shoot me a DM, shoot me an email, give me a phone call, and I can be able to help you discover yourself into that journey. And stop waking up late. I know it's very frustrating. We are fearing, there is a lot of uncertainties, and we are afraid. It's okay, it's normal. Social distancing, really, it's so boring, because when human connects, there is more power, there is more connection when we come together as human beings. And when we're far away from each other, we feel like, oh my gosh, this is the end of the world. But still, you can utilize this time to be more creative, learn new skills, read a new book, learn new tactics that can enable you to be a better person. Stop going to bed late and waking up later in the afternoon. Stop watching too much time on TV, but learn new skill that will enable you to become a better professional, a better entrepreneur, and a better person. Thanks a lot for watching, and I speak to you guys next week.